In this video, we are going to assemble the horse candy bar wrap. This wrapper is designed to go with my farm series, but could be used for, obviously, with anything. So you're gonna, the most paper piecing you have is putting the head together. So this project is super quick. These take, I think, less than 5 minutes to put together, which makes it ideal for doing a lot of them if you wanted to do them for a classroom. If you have a child that loves horses, do a quick and easy little gift for all the kids for your child's birthday, using them for a birthday party. Because they're so quick to put together, you can do a lot in a very short period of time. So now we're going to take this panel that goes on the front, we're going to put it down first. And you're just going to center that, just kind of eyeball it. Then I'm going to use foam tape on the head. Okay, we can put in our candy bar, and now we are just going to fold this around, not too tightly, because you want to be able to slide your belly band off and on. Put some glue at the end of each side. And then you are finished. There is the horse candy bar wrapper.